Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1982. By 1982, music studios stopped shipping 8 tracks to retailers and cars removed the 8-track recorder from car models. The compact cassette is the main reason why 8 tracks were faded out from the electronics industry.
Take our lead.
We are thrilled to announce that 8 tracks will resume streaming from its website, effective immediately. Stream now for free. TLDR. The 8 tracks platform and brand are now owned and operated by Backbeat Inc., a new startup which acquired a portion of 8 tracks assets during its wind down earlier this year. 19 April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.